Here we have the first hands-on unboxing video of the Galaxy S26 Ultra clone. The Galaxy S26 Ultra isn't even out yet, and a $72 clone is already on sale. Excitement around Samsung's next flagship lineup is building fast. The Galaxy S26 series is going official next week, but in true internet style, a Galaxy S26 Ultra has already appeared online, just not the official one. Instead, it's a low-cost clone priced at roughly $72. A viral Instagram video showcases what looks like a replica of the upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. At first glance, it's surprisingly convincing. The rear camera module resembles previously leaked renders, the wallpaper matches rumored promotional images, and the overall finish looks premium enough to fool someone during a quick scroll. However, the internal hardware tells a completely different story. This clone is said to feature only 3 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage. Specifications that feel outdated even for budget devices, let alone something posing as an Ultra model. While the listing claims 5G support, the real-world performance is nowhere close to what Samsung's flagship is expected to deliver. Naturally, it also lacks Samsung's software ecosystem. There's no Galaxy AI, no long-term software update promise, and no advanced camera optimization, just a cosmetic design built to capitalize on pre-launch hype. This trend isn't new. Affordable knockoffs often surface weeks or even months before major smartphone launches. They leverage leaks and rumors to attract buyers who may not recognize the difference or are drawn in by the ultra-low price. From a distance, the design may look similar, but the resemblance typically ends there. Meanwhile, the genuine Galaxy S26 series is scheduled to debut at Galaxy Unpacked on February 25th in San Francisco. That's it for today. What's your thoughts? Let me know in the comments section, and as always, see you in the next video. Peace out.